Hello, my beautiful Taurians. Welcome to Soulful Intuitive Tarot. We are going to do a reading, love reading for you. How are you all doing? This is a general love reading, so it may or may not resonate with each one of you. Please check your sun, moon, and rising placement videos. Keep in mind, roles can be reversed and cross watchers are welcome. Let's see what are your feelings and your person's feelings in this connection. First we'll check out the energies, what are flowing in between you guys. Transformation, a fresh view, new way of living emerges. A fresh new way of living emerges means something fresh coming up, or you're focusing on your transformation so that this something new is coming to can come towards you. Then you have in the flow, everything is smooth sailing in this time of the year. That the first week of December, Taurus, is very smooth sailing for you. Things will just flow and you will be in this energy of like enjoying life right now, having most fun time as it is. This is a season of celebration coming up in the month of December, and this reading is for the first week of December. Okay, let's see what you need to surrender, my beautiful Taurians. Let's see what my Taurus need to surrender. Spirits, guides, universe, please let me know what Taurans need to surrender for the month of first week of December. We have to surrender your addictions. Taurans, if you are addicted to something, it can be addiction towards people, substances, anything, work as well. So if you are addicted to something, surrender to it and bring yourself out of it. Whether you are addicted to substances, food, people, sex, or overthinking, take action to begin to heal the addiction and replace it with a healthier alternatives. Wow. So you find out the healthier alternatives to your addictions, whatever they can be, big or small, and surrender to the divine so that they can help you in this, and have faith. You will get through these addictions. Now we will look into the tarot. What is the situation ship with you? Bottom of the deck we have the Lovers, one more shuffle. Universe, spirits, and guides, tell me the situation about Taurus. Okay. First card out is Eight of Swords. Too much and up in your head. Do not want to see anything right now. You can actually come out of this situation. Yes, Nine of Wands, totally burdened with the situation you are in. What is your person feeling right now? Queen of Wands, they have a lot of passion for you. Gender doesn't matter, guys, so it can be a male or it can be a female. Cross watchers are welcome. We have the Judgment. Yes, some kind of reconciliation coming up. Ace of Pentacles. Yes, new offer, a very stable offer from the divine. And you have Queen of Swords. Okay, Taurus. Ten of Cups. And we have the Empress. And then we have the Chariot and the Four of Swords. Okay, so Guys, this can be a same-sex relationship also, so keep in mind it may resonate with few of you. But yes, I can see three energies over here, and uh, you both are too much up in your head. You are very much worried that are they going to come back to you or not. You are thinking too much regarding this, but they are burdened by their own situation. Too much of burden on their shoulders. Uh, though they see you as their empress, they see you as their wish fulfillment. They know they want a 10 of cups with you. They want to move forward, but right now they are in this 4 of swords energy, taking a break, not moving, not but just looking into the situation. They don't want to, because it's very burdening for them, and they don't see outcome right now. So they have left it to, the judgment card says that left it to the ethers, to the divine, to take care of this. They and as it said, you, if you are depressed or you have taken solace into some kind of addictions in your life, you need to take a break from that. You need to channel your energies. 4 of Wands is channeling your energies, taking a break after a burden time or a difficult time. So, and don't worry, Taurus, this time is going to change for you. Everything is going to will be smooth sailing in future. uh, After December, things are going to be fine. This is just a 9 of Wands, is just the nearing the end of a cycle. So, but your person has a lot of passion, and the divine is bringing you this offer, or very stable offer. they are they are helping your person also, like they're helping your person bring back the truth and clarity. Your person is getting the truth and clarity regarding you, that you are the one for them. So there is going to be a movement forward. Maybe they are going to travel towards you, or they may message you. So, and it is a long distance relationship which is burdening both of you. And because you can't see the doors are closed, and the divine is going to open the doors for you. Okay, Taurus, we will pull out some more cards from you. We'll try to clarify these cards. 8 of Swords is clarified by the Queen of Wands, of course. Then we have the 5 of Cups for 9 of Wands. We have the Star card. Yes, as I told you, you are their wish fulfillment. Your person is feeling like they are not accepting any other offer. They are looking towards you, and they want a reconciliation. 7 of Swords, moving away from this is a sneaky behavior, and you think that they have sneaked out, but no. 5 of Pentacles. So your financial conditions are going to be coming, they will be in a better situation in the future, because Ace of Pentacles is a new offer in finances coming up, whereas you had this 9 of Pentacles. Yes, all your wishes are going to be fulfilled, but you're going to be alone for a while. You are not you will be in this independent energy. You are also in this independent energy and working towards your pentacles. Okay, we have 10 of Cups is clarified with the 4 of Cups and the 8 of Swords. Moving away from this family situation, your person wants to move away. They don't see any They are stuck over here and this is burdening them. Four of Cups is they can't see any right now. They can't see any hope in this. Yes, Emperor and the World tells me that this situation is coming to an end and they are going to move towards you, Taurus. And then we have the Queen of Swords. Yes, you are come correct to me or else don't come towards me. That is your energy right now, and they are going to be like they are all up in their head. Eight of Swords twice you have in this reading, so they are in their thoughts that what and how they should deal with this situation, as they see you as very strong individual, strong, like financially strong and mentally strong person, and they do want to give you this offer, but they want to make sure that this offer is worth you, and you don't just cut them off because of their lack of efforts. So they are preparing themselves in the right now, and they will come correct towards you. This is the energy right now, Taurus. So I hope this reading helped you. We'll see you in the next one. Till then, all the best and stay safe and healthy.